Hi everybody, welcome to week 5, module 5. I was out sick this past week for 4 days, so I am catching up in the office this weekend, so I'm sending you an informal video recording that will be ready tomorrow because I have a lot of meetings going on. So, emotional intelligence. So you'll see in the assignment here that I've given you the book, Working with Emotional Intelligence. So it's a lot of pages, it's a long book, so just skim through it. Read the introduction, read through the different competencies that are of interest to you. Read about how important it is, how important emotional intelligence is to success in the workplace. So you'll hear that intelligence, traditional cognitive intelligence, gets you in the door. But once you get in, everybody's pretty much as smart as you. So it's emotional intelligence that helps you move up in an organization and be successful as a leader. So this week, we're going to focus on emotional intelligence. So here's a video that talks a little bit about it. I'm going to have you share some thoughts on the discussion board. Take a look at or consider the other materials that you've used so far in the class and make an argument for or discuss how emotional intelligence is related to creating an inclusive workplace, and then to do an assessment on yourself of emotional intelligence. Okay, so in the discussion board, we're asking you to think about leaders or managers you've worked with in your life. Describe one specific interaction with a leader and evaluate him or her on the 4 categories of emotional intelligence. So self-awareness, self-management, empathy or awareness of others' emotions. Social skills is management of others' emotions. So basically you're aware of and managing your own emotions and the emotions of others to be an effective leader. So give us an example of one leader interaction and that leader's emotional intelligence and the impact of that behavior on you. So again, post your own response and then respond to at least 2 others by the end of the week. Okay, so the written assignment this week, use the materials from the class. So anything that you've read up to this point, if you've read ahead, thinking about emotional intelligence and creating an inclusive work environment, the importance of self-awareness. So obviously the first building block, the first step of emotional intelligence is being self-aware and being able to be aware and manage yourself. Okay, but this assignment is to get you to draw upon those materials, cite your references in the body of the response, and then also provide a reference page. Okay, so be sure you are getting to that 750 word, not page, sorry, 750 word response, and provide some specific examples here. So this is you thinking about emotional intelligence. Okay, so, and then in the journal assignment this week, I'm going to ask you to assess yourself on those 4 basic categories. So you can do kind of the umbrella category of self-awareness, or you could work on or talk about specific competencies within the different categories. So provide a rating of yourself on at least on each of those 4 categories and one example that supports your rating. Ask 2 other people in your life to assess you on the 4 categories. Describe each and ask for feedback. Compare how well, what the other people rated you as and what your own ratings were. And try to explain, was there similarity, was there difference, and what does that mean? So that's it for this week. We do have class on Thanksgiving week just because there's a limited number of weeks, but those assignments are up. If you want to work ahead or if you need extra time, just let me know. So that's what I've got. Have a good week, and I hope it's a good one for you.